session with your host, the Jake, to Chicken Invaders, Cluck of the Dark Side. Now, Chicken Invaders is well, it started off as a spin-off of, well, obviously, Space Invaders. Hold on.
Oh.
For those of you who are not familiar with the history of gaming, you will have no idea what I'm talking about. But, oops. I forgot to turn off the lighting. Turn it up for what? Excuse me. Hold on tight there, bro. Hold on tight, bro. Got it. Should be on now. There we go. Much better. Trust me, it hurts me more than it hurts you. Anyway, so what this game is basically the 5th part of the installment. It started off as like a little spin-off of Space Invaders, but with chickens instead of like space creatures of the darkness or whatever. Anyway, so eventually it escalated to being its own thing. So like Chicken Invaders 1 was just basically Space Invaders with chickens. And then Chicken Invaders 2 had an actual story behind it, and then like stuff, but it wasn't really obvious what the story was. You were just going through every planet destroying chickens. Then 3 had an actual physical story with actual characters that you can give voices and name and stuff, which I really like in games because I like to give my characters a voice because it just makes them related to me more than anything else. And yeah. My little brother's featured today. If you can see him in the camera, I don't know if you can, because I don't have anything to reflect it. But see, he has a little squidgy face. Squidgy face.
It is.
He won't be able to hear anything because, well, we can't get a second pair of headphones. Anyway, so, oh, what's this? I checked around the game. I poked around a little bit, and I realized that you can actually customize the color of your spaceship this time. At first, you weren't able to. It was like the basic spaceship. I don't remember what the color was. Crap. Anyway, so you get a basic ship and you start off and you try to save the world from evil chicken race who are trying to destroy everything. So, I want to change this up a little bit. Yeah, to deep space, Brett. Or maybe... Yeah, there we go. Alright, so, fly mission. Start new game. And starting chapter... Oh, that's cool. Alright, next. Whoa, I'm so pumped. Right. Oh, the Milky Way. That's the narrator. Our solar system, here. No, wait, here. Nope, here. Okay. Somewhere around here. Somewhere around here. I'm gonna give him this like eccentric voice. And if you can't see what I'm doing off camera, I'm eating cheesecake. Yummy. Alright. See, this is my spaceship right here. I'm gonna call him Gary. Gary the... No. Oh god. What should I call him?
Jason.
Jason. I'm gonna call him Sam, the spaceship pilot. So it's like sexually ambiguous. So you can like either if you want it, it can be a male, or it can be, she can be a female anyway. And chicken pie instead of apple. Damn it! I missed some dialogue. I'm gonna give him a weird voice here. Okay. Yes, everything is in order. This voice hurts. But what's this? Cheesecake, that's right.
Is what?
Is there something wrong with our son?
Yeah.
You better investigate quick. I can barely see thanks to this stupid light in my face. Yeah, much better. Well, sort of. I can't see anything.
Now I can.
Fine. Yeah, I'm gonna give him like this kind of high-pitched voice, because he can be a high-pitched male or just a female. They have a mustache. What am I talking about? Huh? It's a battleship of some sort. Is there? It is. They're making everybody who ever loved Star Trek cry. Shows evident size of chicken technology. The Enterprise. Oh, this can't be good.
Uh-oh.
Ho, ho, ho. The Enterprise is spewing feathers everywhere. They're completely blocking out the sun. This game, man. Without sunlight, Earth will freeze over. That would have happened in seconds, actually. Do you even physics or chemistry? I don't know. Do you? Oh god. Is that? Oh my god! Don't stand there. Okay, I'm gonna take a break here. Hold on. Charge! Charge! All right. So before I start anything, I just want to mention this. You okay there? You okay there, Bryn?
Yeah.
All right. So what's? So I noticed this. The music in that's actually playing in the background is well, I don't know if you can hear it or not over my voice, but anyway, the music is actually from Star Wars, like dun 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 dun. Tell me if you recognize the tone, if you can even hear it. I don't know.
Later.
3, 2, first impressions.
Oh. Chickens.
Come on! Oh, Skeleton Wars, they didn't leave out any like and in the last game, what I really liked in the last forgot to mention these. So the chickens, when they killed, they drop chickens, which you can save up and get a missile. Makes no sense, but okay. And the chickens, instead of shiny, these are keys. You collect them to buy stuff. Anyway, get them all. Get all the chickens. Oh yeah, and instead of dropping like little ziggy-zaggy lasers, they drop eggs, which is clever, and I like it. I don't know why. I'm easily impressed. And this game can be played also by the mouse or by the keyboard only. You don't need either. You don't need them together, which I like how simple it is. So you can see my hand. So this would be a perfect game to play if I have a broken hand or something. Hopefully not. These freaking shields. I'm gonna destroy them all. Better be careful of damn eggs. Ooh, shiny, shiny, shinies. So whenever something is shining, like you can see on the screen here, which I just destroyed, pew pew pew. Anyway, when they shine, that means there's a key inside them. If you destroy them, you get the key. The game's quite complex at first, but it's actually quite simple. And so it's actually quite simple. It just looks complex. If you understand everything, it's actually quite easy. There's casual, and then there's superstar, which is basically the hardest difficulty the game can throw at your face. I tried superstar. I died 20 times in the first level. That was the very first. That was like the fourth game. Oh man. Which I really liked in the last game as well was that they were actually the fact that they actually they were clever enough. I can't even speak. Great. Fry them chickens. Yeah, there's like, if you don't know, there's been gift boxes dropping. I keep getting distracted. The last game had a level where you actually fight in a Space Invaders level, which was freaking clever, and congrats whoever made the game, if you're ever gonna watch this. Well, probably not. Anyway, congrats, that was an amazing idea, and I actually loved it. Get it!
Oh yeah!
Yeah, we got the barbecuer! These are like his sisters. They were at Surfing the Wave. Surfing the wave, bruh. Cooking! Cooking! This is a perfect game. And they say GTA is a violent game. Check this out. Oh, good God. I literally wiped out an entire line of chickens, conga line of chickens, by just spraying fire at them. And the game is like also quite fun for adults, but it's also designed to be kid friendly as well. And I like how they made this compromise quite good in the way they did it. And I think they nailed it with this. Caged animals. I hate it when people start monologuing over games. I'm so sorry. I just love this game so much. This game and my childhood are so close. Kill it.
Kill it, fire.
Kill him! Kill it! Shoot her! Shoot her! Keith! Hey! Shoot her! Shoot her!
Yeah!
A winner! A chicken dinner! Ironic! I actually didn't mean that joke, but, well, I got it anyway. Kill them all! That's not how that works. That's not how black holes work. If you get sucked into a black hole, you're not coming out anytime soon. Again, they didn't come out. Spin class. Oh, they spin! Because in the last game, there were like spinning levels, and they annoyed the hell out of me. Okay, don't overheat though, that would suck. Oh, that's much better. Oops. So you actually have lives as well, and every time you die, you get your firepower becomes weaker. That's obvious. Give me that. Give me those.
Almost chicken.
A winner, a chicken dinner. I'm just gonna keep making that joke until it becomes absolutely annoying, and then I'm gonna say it a few more times. Chickens, yay! Where's that little chick? Come here, here, little guy. Die! Screw you, chickens! Oh God! Thank you. Shoot it! Oh God Almighty! Oh goodness! Oh! Ouch! Give me that. I'm just like spinning on it right now. Missile! Kill all of the chickens!
No!
Yes! The Enterprise! Retreat! Retreat! Teach you better run. Teach you better run.
Oh, nice.
Anyway, oh no, I skipped the cutscene. Crap. Madame. Okay, so I actually seen the cutscene. I passed the first level. I played the game when I downloaded it. So, and I thought, well, why should I not record this? I mean, I love this game, and it's quite fun to watch. Well, sort of, anyway. And I really enjoy playing it, and, well, not much people watch my videos anyway, so I don't think this will be... I don't have to worry, shut up. So, I thought, why the heck not play this game? Because it's quite a fun game, and I don't know if it's quite fun to watch or not. I'll eventually see. Contact with my friend. Oh God Almighty! I completely lost concentration. Trying to kill these chickens. Die!
Yeah!
God dang it!
That green one.
I hate this thing. It's so slow. Completely kills the pacing of this game. No. Yes! Die, chickens!
This is probably...
I will.
This is probably my favorite.
By the power of Zeus!
I don't know if it's a murder or not.
What am I doing with my life? Why did I say Zeus? Zeus is a smelly thing. What is this? Goodness me!
Get
That was racist. Sorry, Scottish people. Love you guys.
Don't get that orange one.
It literally makes the sound pew pew pew. How do the chickens? And I am impressed by the actual frame rate this is going. Well, according to Fraps, this game is going at 30 frames per second. And it's so fluent. And, well, 30 frames per second is the max I can do so far, because I don't know how much my computer can withstand before it kills itself, before it attempts suicide.
I don't know if you hear me.
I don't know what that is, and I'm not avoiding that. Thank you. Mass murder!
Like a murder. A chicken murderer.
Chicken murder. A winner, winner, a chicken dinner. Literally. Kill them all!
My ears are just broken.
Sorry.
Boom. Done. No, don't take these things. Oh no. Takes forever.
Satellite flyby. Okay, I'm gonna pause for a sec. I suggest if you're gonna play this game, well, if you are going to anyway, if people like this, it's just use a mouse, because the games it needs faster. You can't use a keyboard like WAS and D or front, left, down, or whatever. But a mouse is a bit easier to move around, like. And this to shoot. Anyway.
Yeah, new gun. Yeah, one of these monsters.
Let's barbecue some food. I'm gonna save this for the boss battle because I know it's the boss battles in this game can escalate pretty quickly, and I am not kidding.
Oh, it's not a boss battle.
In the last one, you had to fight someone who. Okay, 1 minute. You had to fight someone who can. If you kill him, he splits in half, and if you kill his halves, they split into quarters, and so on and so forth. But every single part is weaker than the other, and that it was impossible to do in the first game, and it was extremely hard. That's what she said. Wow. Alright. Oh, come on! Damn chickens! Oh man, my leg is super weak now. Damn chickens. No. I'm sticking with the lightning bolts. Nope.
I don't like chickens.
Oh man. Hearing the screams of chickens as they cry for help, but no one calls back, and they just save away with the wolf. Ow! Ow! That noise! End it all, please! Ah, my ears! And the headache! Oh God!
Too much.
Oh, my ears! Oh God! Goodness! Ow!
Boom!
Ow! on yet? Look like I had big giant ears now. Ow. Popcorn. Turn up the heat. Turn up for what?
This is absolutely.
Oh, I love this one. Ow! I was killed by a curl of corn. Damn corn. Cold corn. That crap will kill you. Don't get hit by corn. Best thing about it, I can actually eat it. Kill it. There we go. Nah, sweet popcorn.
If you don't want to learn, you don't want to ever watch this video on this video. I love this popcorn.
Pop, pop, pop. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot.
Give me all these popcorn.
You didn't catch anything. Cook that corn. What killed me?
Oh, you got him.
I have 2 lives left. Crap.
Die. Don't get hit by 2 times. No, 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 no.
No.
Corn.
No way. Not today. No.
I need real corn.
Stay away from me.
Didn't catch him.
Pew. Yeah. Oh God. No problem. That was over quick.
Oh.
Special forces.
Sorry, but you have 1 rocket left.
That's not a knife. That's a knife. Cook 'em. Cookies.
Cook them for dinner. What are bombs in there?
Goodness.
Burn them.
Pit. This game absolutely does not care about physics. You can't throw knives and bombs do not explode in space. Oh wait, do they? I have no idea. Don't quote me on that. Oh. Madame, madame. Damn.
It's so cute.
Madame. What the hell? Madame. Wait. Oh, it's Han Solo. That was actually from the previous game. If you don't know, I know what you seek. You do? Great. Could I also have fries with that? No, I mean the Enterprise, the feathers. Wow. The dark side advances. You have to save the day with your Jedi powers. Yeah, we know that part. Any idea how, though? That's what I care about. Let me consult my crystal ball. Oomga. Anything yet? Silence! I kill you! Oh yes, everything is clear now. Humanity's greatest fan is your only hope of salvation. Fans are great. Humanity's greatest fan is an arcane device of unlimited power constructed by an alien race long ago. Boring. Silence, you fool! These artifacts make up humanity's greatest fan. First, the blade of revolution. Oh, ooh, cool. Second, the source of power. Is that like a plug? Awesome. And third, the thingamajig of vagueness. Well, that was anticlimactic. I know the artifact naming department was closed that day.
Yeah.
I hate it when that happens.
What is they ever?
To protect the device from falling into the wrong hands, the other will go scattered across the galaxy and hitting on the mission get a sensible of planets. I'm a rap. I'm beginning it like okay, never mind. Collect the 3 artifacts and bring them back to me so that Earth may see the light of day again. They should be frozen by now. Here, take this map to guide you. Hurry, there isn't much time. Oh, okay. So what's first? I think the Blade of Revolution is nearest. Yeah, it's Pusilian Thalasus, not too far from here. Excellent. Let's go. It's like he's talking about the supermarkets. Can you get me some water?
Oh yeah, my leg.
Just hop, 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 hop like a boss.
Okay.
Okay, hop away into destiny, my brother. You shall not be forgotten.
Oh yeah, my leg is broken.
Okay, how long have I been recording for? I said you will not be forgotten, not broken. 26 minutes. Actually, it's quite good for an average length of video, but yeah, I think I am going to end this video here. It's been a bit it was